How are you, Dad?
Not bad, not bad. Seems like, oh yeah, not bad. You know, I need it. Few days.
They had gone back just for a few weeks to do some wedding shopping because I was to get married this summer.
She meant everything to us. She was our mum, our best friend. She had so many qualities, and when she's gone, you look to your father.
These people have been kept in conditions that are really quite inhumane to some extent. They have not had access to their clothes, their medications, to adequate sanitation, and all piled together. These people went there for a short break and they have been caught in this chaos. Dad, very soon you're going to come out.